perception for our society and the police. And we should not tolerate such a thing. And the police should allow people to enjoy their citizens and leave anything about tinted approval. And if it is indeed to secure the lives of the people, there must be more creative ways of protecting the people and ensuring the security of the people without imposing further financial hardship on the people. And also doing it at a time that members of the public who may need to travel, who may need to put their vehicles on the road, will be harassed, extorted money, have their movement impeded, and oftentimes maybe impounded by overzealous policemen on the road, who may not distinguish even between the so-called takeoff time of January 2nd. It's a time to say no. And we're also calling on the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, to call the Inspector General of Police to order. We've also, as at this moment, delivered a letter to the Office of the Attorney General, asking the Attorney General to also write to the police to cease and desist from this unlawful activity, which does not portray the country in a good light and imposes unnecessary hardship on the people. This must stop. Imagine how it will be on the federal highways and state highways. Enough is enough. The police should not continue to push the people. I mean, it's shocking. The police never reached out to us again. We were supposed to set up it was also supposed not only to address this, but other issues that may be of common interest, not only to the police, but to the bar and the general public. And we all agreed in it. And in the course of hearing, the council gave an undertaking that the police will not do anything. And that is a judicial undertaking that the council has done on behalf of his person. And the court noted that, and it has the effect of an order of courts. When you say we will not take any steps, and indeed, even in the absence of that, when we are challenging such a policy, the normal thing will be for the police to respect the judicial proceedings and allow a judicial pronouncement to be made on the matter. If indeed the police is the responsible organization we believe it to be, whether with or without a positive court order stopping them, they have a duty to respect the outcome of that matter so that the court will make a pronouncement on it. It would be irresponsible of any of the parties to continue to take steps to implement a policy like that is being challenged. Also, the lawfulness of the same is being challenged. It's even in the best interest of the police to avoid judicial pronouncement so that we will know who is right and who is wrong. Yes, otherwise you voice a fair complaint. You are simply telling the court, to hell with you. We don't care about you. And no police force should be seen to be saying that, because the breakdown of law and order in the society does not benefit any person, especially the police, which will have the onerous task of restoring order to society. To you. So you know who is fooling who. It's a scam. And we should call it out for what it is. How did they arrive at the choice of that company? What is the company doing for them? How is this money being shared? Why is the money being paid into a private account? How did we get there? If it is about fighting security and people already had that permit, why are you, by one sweeping statement, revoke them and require them to come back for data you're supposed to already have? How? It's a fraud meant to line the pockets of a few persons and thereby break the backs of Nigerians who are growing under the economic